Every year as the sun shines brightest over the land of smiles, Thailand bursts into a celebration like no other. The Songkran Festival. The Thai New Year. But Songkran is much more than a water fight. It's a beautiful blend of tradition, joy, and togetherness, where ancient rituals meet modern fun. It begins with a gentle gesture offering food to monks at dawn, a way to make merit and start the year with kindness. Families gather to build sand pagodas at the temples, decorating them with colorful flags that represent the 12 zodiac signs, each one a wish for good fortune. And then, the streets come alive. Imagine this. The sound of laughter fills the air, vibrant parades dance through the roads, and music echoes from every corner. Children, elders, friends, and strangers join hands, splashing water into the sky. It's a playful way to wash away the old year, to cool the summer heat, and to cleanse the heart. For 3 magical days, Thailand becomes a living festival of smiles. The scent of jasmine, the sparkle of confetti, and the warmth of Thai hospitality invite you to be part of something truly special. So, why just watch from afar? Come and experience the heart of Thai culture. Let the water refresh your spirit, the traditions touch your soul, and the people welcome you like family. This Songkran, come to Thailand. Join the dance. Feel the joy. Make memories that will stay with you forever.
สุขสันต์วันสงกรานต์
Happy Songkran Festival.